In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a virtual desktop. Okay, what do we mean by a virtual desktop? A virtual desktop is a feature that allows you to create multiple desktop environments on a single computer, effectively giving you separate workspace. Each virtual desktop can have its own open windows and applications, thereby helping you to organize tasks and reduce clutter on your laptop. What I mean by that is that if you look at my system now, you discover that I have a lot of apps open, almost about how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to about 20 apps that I've opened here. Look at the taskbar down here, almost about how many apps are open down here. There's a cluster of apps open here in this apps already, so in this desktop already. So in order to have a cleaner desktop, another desktop, I don't need to continue opening new tabs in this desktop. So I will have to create another virtual desktop that will help me to have another computer inside my computer. So how do we do that? Let me take you directly into doing that so that you understand what I mean by having another computer inside my computer. So we are going to go right away into the practical so that you understand how you can create another computer inside your computer. You are going to have another desktop so that you can be able to have another cleaner workspace to continue your work. That does not mean that your previous work that you have been doing will disappear or lost totally. No, you will still keep them. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So we are going to create another virtual desktop. So for us to create another virtual desktop, what you are going to do is to click Control and hold the Windows key plus D. Can you see that? I think you can see what I'm talking about. Now we are having another cleaner. We are having another desktop that is totally different from the previous one that we have been using. This is a brand new computer inside my computer. So I can start, open a new prompt, a new tab. Look at the way it is. Very clean. I can start doing another thing. I can start doing anything from here. Facebook, everything. Look at it, everything is inside this computer. This is a brand new computer. So somebody will ask, okay, what about the project that I've been doing in the other desktop? I'm going to take you back. It's not difficult. Your work is still safe for you. So the good thing about it is that you can go back to those work and continue from where you stop, and you can come back to this desktop and continue from where you stop. So in case you want to go back to your previous work, if you don't know how to do it, what you need to do is to click Control, click the Windows tab, and use the left and arrow key. Look at it, look at it, look at all the desktop that I have created. Look at it, look at their moving, look at it, look at them. I hope you can see my screen. Look at them. This is where we started from. This is my old desktop that I've been using. Once they become so chopped up, I will have to move them to another place. So you continue clicking the Control and the Windows key, and you use the left and the right arrow key to move them around. This is the hotkeys that you use to create a virtual desktop and move in between the desktop. So if the lecture today, if the video is educative for you, don't forget to support us by liking our video, share it with friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel so that our channel can grow. We are just starting. We appreciate if you follow, subscribe to our channel, and also so that next time when we post the same video, it's going to reach you. Thank you and God bless you.